Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the opacity of the density maps in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the density maps button. And here look for the opacity section. And as you can see, you can set it to low, medium or high. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.